Pansin ko guys, recently, ang dami mga tech vloggers na pupunta sa Green Hills para ipakita sa inyo kung saan pwede makabili ng mga iPhone na mumurahin, na second hand, sa mga tiyangge or sa mga stalls dyan sa Green Hills. But are you sure na 100% original sila? Hindi kinahoy at hindi chinap-chap? Pues itong i-feature natin dito sa ating video today is 100% legit, 100% original, and kampante ako isabihin sa inyo na this is 100% original. Gusto nyo malaman? Tapusin nyo itong video na ito. So hi guys, ako pa sa Richmond na Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So I'm pretty sure na intriga kayo kung saan pwede kayo makabili ng iPhone na second hand, na sariwa, na original, 100%, na hindi kinahoy, hindi chinap-chap. And best of all, pag sinuwerte kayo, meron pang remaining Apple warranty here in the Philippines. And hindi ko na kayo bibiting. Galing ako kanina dito sa Apple Store, sa Beyond the Box, sa Century Mall, Makati. Makati yan guys, hindi Green Hills. So lahat ng mga open box sale ni Beyond the Box nakatago doon sa Century Mall. Sikreto natin malupit ito guys. So since alam na natin na galing siya sa Beyond the Box, it's 100% original, 100% sure na hindi kinahoy, and 100% sure na dumaan to sa striktong quality check bago nila i-release to sa iyo. So, marami sa inyo nakakaalam na umabot na tayo, finally, sa ating 200,000 subscribers dito sa Gadget Sidekick. Palakpak naman dyan. And so, galing tayo dito sa Beyond the Box, sa Century Mall, sa kanilang open box sale. So, ano to mga open box sale na ito? Anong condition ng phone meron nila dito? So, either it's a demo unit na naka-display sa Apple Store, sa Beyond the Box, or it's a customer return na medyo may kunting defect or kunting cosmetics defect na hindi natuwa ang customer, or some of those unreasonable customers na binalik within 7 days to replace, to refund. And ito yung mga yon guys. Yan ang mga open box sale ni Beyond the Box. So, hindi naman nila pwede i-sell siya as brand new. So, they have to sell it as open box. Just like this one na nabili natin na iPhone 11 na ira-raffle ko sa inyo guys. But of course, the mechanics is very easy. So all you need to do is continue watching Gadget Sidekick for the next few videos. I'm not quite sure kung which video ko pipili ang winner nitong phone na ito. But I'm sure na if you're a loyal subscriber and a true subscriber na hindi nag-aabang lang ng giveaway, I'm pretty sure you have the better chance of winning this phone from me. So ating official hashtag will be hashtag Gadget Sidekick 200K giveaway. So, ang kailangan nilang gawin is very simple. Head on over sa Facebook page to Beyond the Box. I-follow mo sila. And of course, mag-subscribe na rin kayo para makita nyo na kailan ang open box sale nila sa Century Mall. Then of course, dito sa aking YouTube page, you'll have to subscribe to my channel. And all you need to do is just simply to comment sa aking mga videos from June to July 2023. Lahat ng video na nilabas ko, I just might pick from any one of them depending sa kung anong trip ko. Ang kailangan nila i-comment is ano na gusto nyo sa product na feature ko for that video together with the hashtag Gadget Sidekick 200K giveaway. Simple lang naman yun, no? So if you're really one of my avid watchers, I'm pretty sure it's very easy lang para sa inyo yan. So guys, kita nyo, this is from Beyond the Box, Apple authorized reseller sa Century Mall. And this is the official receipt na nabili natin, no? So I'm really lucky na sinabi na dito, this one still has warranty until December 2023. What's nice pag bumili ka dito sa mga open box sale ni Apple dito sa Beyond the Box, you get 7 days na replacement warranty dito sa kanya. If your unit doesn't have yung warranty, you still have 7 days to return it or to just simply change the item dahil maybe may defect or what. Ito ang peace of mind na binibigay sa inyo pag bumili ka sa premium Apple reseller. So, kita natin sariwang-sariwa yung box, no? And what's nice din is that meron pa siyang warranty until December 19, 2023. So, swerte makakuha nito, no? So, this one is still under warranty until the end of this year. So, imagine may 6 months ka pang warranty pag bumili ka ng mga open box na phone. What's so bad about that? Pag bumili ka sa Green Hills, are you sure na may warranty pa siya? I'm pretty sure wala. Matuwa ka na kung 100% original siya at hindi sinapchap ang iyong unit. So itong pamimigay natin ng iPhone 11 is a 128 gigs of storage and color is white. hindi naman tayo mamimigay ng mga iPhone 7 na medyo may kalumaan na, no? And bubuksan muna natin, tinanang natin ang kanyang condition, no? So, let me have the privilege of opening it up muna for you para sa winner, no? Just to have a little check. Hindi ko siya pina-open kasi gusto ko siya unbox dito sa ating channel. But normally, if you buy it mga open box sa Beyond the Box sa Century Mall, i-open nila whether you like it or whether you don't like it para ma-check nila na maayos bago mo uuwiin ang iyong phone from the open box sale. Grabe, sikip pa nung box, mukha pa talaga siyang bago. Di ba? So kung ako tatanungin mo, kung chinek ko siya, well, wala naman nakita mga scratches dito. And pag tinignan natin mga size niya, it's still pretty fresh. So this phone is definitely a good one. And of course, pag binutap natin, dapat Apple logo makita natin, hindi Android. So kita natin, it's a Apple logo. So definitely, this is a original na iPhone 11. So titingnan muna natin, no, yung mga laman dito sa malit na box dito. So we have your SIM ejector pin. We have so many mga catalogs ni Apple, mga user guides, no. And pinaka-favorite ko dito is ang kanang sticker na Apple. And ang kable na kasama din dito, no, is a almost new, no? Halos unused pa siya kasi intact pa ang kanyang packaging dito, no? So, I'm pretty sure this is still a unused na C to Lightning cable. So, as we know, it's always nothing else inside the box. So, yan, kita natin, no? The boot up screen. So, ganito makikita nyo dapat if you're having a all original na iPhone. So, i-set up lang natin, no, para makita natin ang battery health nito. So, while nag-set up ang ating iPhone 11, so let me show you ang charger na I would recommend. Since ang Apple iPhone, walang kasamang charging brick sa loob. It only has a charging cable. So, what I have here is the U-Green na next sold 20 watts na charger. This one is just simply perfect na pwede mo bipitin anywhere. Ang bilis ng dalhin, no? And the size is so compact, pwede mo i-pack away. And ganito, as in, sobrang liit lang siya. It's a little cube nandito sa aking kamay. So, bringing this along on your bag or inside your pocket is very handy. So, if you want to know kung saan na pwede mo itong U-Green na 20 watts na GAN charger, I'll be linking on the description box below. So, guys, nakita na natin, na-setup na natin. No? So, it's very light, very easy. It's definitely a original iPhone. So, if you want to check ang kanyang battery health, all you need to do is go inside settings, pasok lang kayo sa battery, then makita nyo dito, no, battery health and charging. So, click mo lang siya. Eh, makita mo, no, itong phone na nabili ko is still 100% ang kanyang battery health. So, ano masasabi ko, no, this is definitely a steal na nabili natin, no, sa mga open box sale ni Beyond the Box. So, since this is still 100%, I would say na this one probably is as good as new. Probably maybe hindi nang natuwa ang customer at sinole and kailangan nila napilitan sila ibenta to as a open box. Siguro swerte na lang tayo, no, na nabili natin to. But for sure, it has passed several steps ng checking ni Apple sa Beyond the Box na before nila nirelease to sa akin. Try nga natin mag-selfie. O, di ba? Apple quality. So guys, kung gusto nyo manalo itong iPhone 11 na 120 gigs of storage from me dito sa aking channel, do of course subscribe to my channel and make sure to be able to comment on every single video starting from June all the way to July 2023 kung anong nagustuhan nyo sa product na finisher natin, and of course, with the proper hashtag Gadget Sidekick 200K giveaway. And of course, don't forget to follow ang Facebook page ni Beyond the Box para masama kayo sa raffle draw. And of course, ma-notify na rin kayo once na nagkaroon sila ng open box sale sa Century Mall ng Beyond Box. So with that said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo na yung bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads ko dito sa akin channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.